Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is an IPSY unboxing. I love IPSY. I've been with them for several years at this point, and I love getting new products every single month and being able to test them out. If you like videos like this, then stick around because everything that I'm wearing today, almost everything that I'm wearing today, is from this box. There's some great products in here you do not want to miss, so be sure to hang around and see what is good. So first up, let me go ahead and talk about this little paper that was in the box. So I started noticing probably like a month or so ago, BoxyCharm is being on like the emails and stuff that I've been getting, and I was like, did BoxyCharm buy IPSY? So I had to Google it, and I found out that IPSY acquired BoxyCharm. So I thought that was interesting. I think they're still like two separate entities for right now, but this came in this little newsletter. Awesome. Came in the box this month, and so I just kind of want to talk to you about it. It says BoxyCharm by IPSY, same great subscription you know and love, now more perks. Okay, and then it has, it's like a newspaper or something, and so then it goes through and it talks about deals and power picks. These are like some of the things that come in the boxes this month. And then let's see, more exciting news. We have a chief makeup artist and talking about the icon box right here. So IPSY has acquired BoxyCharm, and so I guess the two will eventually merge as one. Maybe, I really don't know. Anyways, let's continue on with what's in this box. Everything is done as far as foundation. There are a few other items in here that I need to like get to as far as my face, so that's why I look weird. I haven't put my mascara on yet. We will get there. So let's first start with this Purelease Yuzu Orange Exfoliator. And actually right now we're just going to here we go. Okay, so this the scent is very light. Like, it smells nice. It's not, which I showed you on, where are we at? I showed you on the previous video, like it's like that. The consistency is pretty thick. It's not what you would like, it's not runny. It's not super thick, but it's like, I don't know. It's like a regular exfoliator. It makes your skin really soft. It left my face feeling very clean, and I mean, I wouldn't say it was like super hydrating or anything, which I think exfoliators are just basically to scrub away like the dead skin cells and the impurities on your face and make sure everything is clean and fresh and a good foundation for your like moisturizers and serums and all that kind of stuff. So overall, it's okay. I'm going to continue to use it. I still have a smidge left of my Kate Somerville exfoliator, or I don't know how it's like a play on words. Anyway, so I'm almost done with that one, and then I will continue using the rest. But for right now, I need to go wash this off of my hand, and I will be right back to carry on with the makeup. Okay, and I'm back, and we are going to continue on with the Bare Minerals powder, setting powder. Focus. Is that good? Yep, there we go. Okay, so if you've been following along for a while, you know that I really don't use... Oh, it doesn't peel off. Does it come off completely? Oh, it's like a little... Oh, cool, look. It's like a little lid. Okay, awesome. I don't really use setting powders just because I am 36. I'm pushing 40. I have more mature skin than a 20-year-old. And so, whoops. I just kind of usually don't use setting powders, but I did put a little bit in this cap, and I'm just going to use this big fluffy brush. I think this is Complex Culture. And actually, where's my little mirror? I try to use the camera, but it just never really works out. So let's just set the foundation. I'm gonna need to get a little more. This big old brush just like ate it all up. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I mean, it's a setting powder. I don't think there's really anything fancy about any like color. It's basically like just a translucent powder. So far so good. Let's move on to the next thing. Moving on to, this is kind of strange. So this is an eyeshadow palette. And the only reason I know is because I picked it out, but it's in this like plain cardboard box. I don't know, is that supposed to be more sustainable? Come open, there we go. Anyway, so I found that very interesting, but I did choose this one. It is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. These colors are right up my alley. I love the warm neutrals, so let's dip into it and see what we can create. I will say this again for the 100,000th time. I am not a makeup artist. I just simply like to play in colors. So I'm going to go with this nude right here as a base. And then I'm going to use my little mirror right here. Dipping back into that. I'm probably going to go into that a few times. My little mirror needs to be cleaned so bad. Okay. Let's clean this off. You can't hardly see out of it. Okay. And then I have my little brush container here. So let's see. This has 3 mattes and 2 shimmers. So I think I'm going to go in with this. It's almost like a burnt orange. These are almost like fall colors, to be honest. So let's take a flat. Here we go. And just so you know, I don't really clean my brushes like I should. So we're going to go with this one. It's got a little bit of pigment on it already from however long ago. I don't really know. But I'm going to go in with this burnt red looking, just kind of dab just a little, not a ton. And let's just kind of be oh, okay. This is why I don't like color. Okay. Okay, so you have to be super careful. Holy crap. Okay, so let me just kind of flick it from this corner and be very soft. Oh crap. Okay. I think it's just getting worse. Okay, so I think I'm going to kind of leave that how it is right now. And then do the other side, and then I will come back with a fluffy brush and blend that out. I'm going to get this, I don't even know what these are. These are just all like IPSY bag brushes, like no name stuff. I cleaned it off best I could, and then I'm just going to kind of blend this out so that it's not so harsh. And then it's going to look a lot better once I get a little bit of mascara on as well. Yeah, just for the sake of the video, let me take a tighter brush. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to take this one And I'm going to dab the teeniest, tiniest little bit. This is more like a cool tone to me. Is that right? Is this considered a cool tone brown? Just a smidge like that. And just to kind of deepen the crease, just like right here. And please keep in mind, I have I have hooded eyes. So if I put anything on the lid, it literally just gets hidden because my eyes are open. So I have to open my eyes and go like that whenever I do anything like this, just to deepen it up a little bit. And then I do want to do the same thing right here. Oh, probably too much. Kind of flick it upward just a little. Let's see, we have two, can we see that? We have two shimmers, so let's go one here and one here. Okay, those are really nice. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this darker one. This one I think is not really suited for me, which yellow usually is not good for me anyways. And anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this darker one. I need my little mirror. And I'm just going to start from the inside and just kind of dab it out. Just a little with the finger. Dab it out, and then I'm going to get that same, this same brush right here and just kind of blend it like that, and blend this. Okay. Gives a little dimension. Those are really good eyeshadows. I've never had a Natasha Denona, like I've heard really good things about it, but I've never had an actual palette. And so that's actually why I chose this one in my IPSY. Now, to move on, let me go put on my mascaras and I will be right just like that. Anyways, okay, so love that eyeshadow palette. We'll definitely continue to use it. And let's move on to this right here, which is it's kind of iridescent-y. Cab Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. And I'm pretty sure this was one of my choices. Ew. Looks like it explode. Did it explode in? Oh, ew. Okay. Oh gosh, this might not be. Okay, and I'm wearing white. Oh Lord. Ew. Okay. Not cool, Cab. Or IPSY. I'm wearing white. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That is ridiculous. Okay. And it actually came in a box. Like the IPSY was in a box, not in a bag this time. Okay. Pause. Let me get something to clean this up. Okay, so I went and grabbed a makeup wipe to try and clean it up off my hands and my little table here best I could. It's still all over. Okay, so let's go a little. Woo! This is going to be even more pigmented because it's all crushed up. So here is a swatch. It definitely has a shimmer to it. So if you don't like shimmer blushes, you probably won't like this. This actually looks like a perfect color for me too. I think I'm going to email them pictures and ask for a replacement. Let me try to not make a mess and just kind of, oh, that's just a little dab. Oh gosh. Okay, I got the majority of it off. Holy crap. Okay, let's try it. Very gently. Very gently. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. Okay, I dusted it off a little. Okay, beautiful color, especially for me. I'm light skinned, so if you have light skin, this would probably work well for you too. Love that. Okay, so great blush. Only thing is it's destroyed. I will email them and ask them for a replacement. Let me take this and just kind of blend it in a little bit. Now, I don't contour. I haven't contoured in years. I think I don't really need it. And actually, I think as of recent, there's a lot of videos, especially on TikTok, of girls talking about how contouring makes you look older than you really are. So I'm going to continue to not contour. Moving on to the last product. I have an itch right there. Okay, last product for today is Shades by Shan. It's a matte lipstick. Dubai. I chose this one as well. I thought that the shade would work nicely with all of the other, like the blush. Like, it looks almost identical. Look at this. Can we see that? It's like almost identical to the blush, which is why I chose this, the blush, and I wanted the eyeshadow palette just because I wanted the eyeshadow palette. Anyway, so here is that. Cool. All right, here we go. Okay. Love it. I wish it was is it sheen or satin? I wish it was a satin. Satin is my favorite. I really don't like the matte. It, I don't know. It always makes my lips look like crusty, kind of. It's not sticky. It's very comfortable. I will eventually add a gloss on top of it, but that's all the products. What do you think? I really like all of them. I wish the blush wasn't a flop, but other than that, like, I was really happy with everything. Like, definitely going to continue to use these products. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Are you still getting IPSY? Obviously, they are still in business, so people are still buying IPSY. I love IPSY. I feel like it kind of was like a trendy thing to do years ago, which I've been getting IPSY for like 7 years now. But I still love getting new products every single month and being able to test them out and see like new things, what work for me, what don't work for me. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up because I do these once a month. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.